Hi, I'm Melitha with WTI. I love a nice, cozy, warm blanket. And if you're like me, you like your throw blanket to be warm and cozy and big enough to cover you on a large sofa so you could just relax. So that's what this NTBAY 100% cotton throw blanket is like. It is lightweight. You can see through it. It's so lightweight. However, it's cable knit. It's a cable knit design. So it's like putting on a nice warm blanket and relaxing and not worrying that you're going to be too warm or too cool. This blanket is so big. This one is 51 by 67 inches. It comes even larger. It comes in so many different colors. So whatever color you desire, you can have one that fits your taste. I love the fact that it's machine washable because it's 100% cotton. I love the fact that it's long enough and wide enough that if I want to, I could just double it up and stay warm, or just use the single layer just for a nice cozy feel. This cable knit blanket by NTBAY is awesome. I love it. I highly recommend it. And that is just my point of view.